Today let us discuss about polar coordinates. Let P be a point in a plane. So how can we determine the position of P by using polar coordinate? Let O is a fixed point. Take O is the fixed point on the plane, and O is called pole or origin, and take a fixed line, that is OX, that is called initial line, and we join O to P, and let distance between O to P is R, and this R is called radius vector, and the angle POX is theta, or XOP is theta, that is called vectorial angle. Theta is called vectorial angle. Now the coordinate of P we can write P R comma theta. Coordinate of P R comma theta. R is the distance of the point P from the origin or pole, that is R, and the angle between the lines OX and OP is theta. R is called radius vector and theta is called vectorial angle. Now we discuss about the relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Let P be a point in a plane and R theta be the polar coordinates of the point P, and XY be the Cartesian coordinates of the point P. Let take two axes OX and OY and join OP. Then OP, distance between O and P R, and draw perpendicular from P to the x-axis. Let PN be the perpendicular on the x-axis, and theta be the angle PON. PON equal to theta, and distance OP R, and so we can take as Cartesian coordinate of the point P XY. So ON equal to X and NP equal to Y. So OPN is a right angle triangle. So we can use here the trigonometry rule. So we know sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular y by r equal to sin theta. Y by r equal to sin theta. Y equal to r sin theta. Similarly, x equal to r cos theta. So y equal to r sin theta, x equal to r cos theta, sin theta. Now squaring the first equation number 1 and second is equation number 2, and squaring both sides and adding. X square equal to r square cos square theta and y square equal to r square sin square theta. So and x square plus y square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, taking common from the r square, so from the right side. So r square equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. R square, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So x square plus y square equal to r square and r equal to under root of x square plus y square. We take the positive sign here as we measure the distance between the 2 points O and P. Always we take the positive value of r. So y equal to r sin theta, x equal to r cos theta. Divide the equation 1 and to divide the equation 1 by equation number 2. So y by x equal to r sin theta by r cos theta, cancel r. So tan theta equal to y by x, theta equal to tan inverse y by x. If we know the Cartesian coordinate of value of x and y, we can get the value of theta by using this equation. And previously I solved x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, and squaring both sides and adding, we get the value of r equal to root over x square plus y square. So if we know the Cartesian value of x and y, we also can get the value of r also. So if we know the Cartesian value of the Cartesian coordinate, so we also know the polar coordinate of the same point.